This is Machikola. Okay, we made it Pongen Monastery. Today day 6. Yeah, which is 4,100 meter. This is view from Pongen Monastery. There from you will see nice view of the Mount Manasalu and Nadichuli, Manasalu North. It is so great. Check post of Samago. The view of the from Brendra Tal. From Samago, we are heading to the Samdu. So we are crossed over the bridge. This is a wood bridge. And this river is coming from the Brendra Lake. Over there is Nike Peak and Manasalu North and Manasalu. It's pretty nice and very beautiful view. This is Long Mani Wall. When we walk from Sama to Samdu, between on the way. This is Yak. So this river called Budi Gandaki. So coming from the Tibet, and this is a wood bridge. So we are crossing over that bridge. This bridge is before Samdu. This is Samdu. This is stupa. So intricate. So we are right now Tibet side in Tibet border, which is Rohila border. We are right now 5,000 meters from sea level. This is our clan. She made it. This is a Chinese flag, and this is a road from the Tibet side. The other side is Nepal mountain. Yeah, it is nice view. So this on the top of the Larki Pass, which is 5,106 meters. So all guys on the top, and they are all happy. They are taking picture, and after that they are going down to the Bhintang, and it's overnight. And those days very long and difficult and harder and cold day. After Bhintang, we are heading down to the Goha. On the way, we are seeing that this kind of a view. It is pretty beautiful. All nice weather. We are Goha. Okay, really happy. Thank you so much. Yeah. So right now we are going to Tilche So it takes walk around 2 hours. That's our GP station. Yes. Hey.